Hey, today I'm showing you how to choose the right size of your position in Forex trading. Let's get into it. So, we trade Euro USD, right? You can choose whatever you want, but let's go for Euro USD. The account currency is USD. The account size is 5,000. By the way, I will put the link in the description for my FX book, the position size calculator. So I'm going with an account size of 5,000. The risk ratio is I always put 1%. I always risk 1% of my account on every trade. You can go up to 2% if you want, but everything more is like too risky for me. The stop loss in pips I put on 20, but you always can change it if you're already in the trade. So, and the trade size for lots is always 1. We calculate it. We risk $50 and the position sizing is 0.25 lots. That's the lot you are trading, 0.25. Now, if you, let's say you have a couple of winning trades and your account size is, let's say 7,860, right? We also risk 1% from the account and calculate. Now we are risking on every trade $78.6, right? And the lot size goes up to 0.39. So this means that you risk more when you are in when you already have a couple of profitable trades. When your account size goes up, you risk more because you earned it to risk more. And the same goes with the drawdown. If you're in drawdown, right, you risk less. You risk less automatically if you always choose 1% and you put the correct account size into the calculator. So thank you for watching. Until next time.